office building was deserted, shadows pooling in the empty lobby. The elevator doors slid open with a hollow groan, fluorescent lights flickering overhead. He stepped inside, alone, eyes drawn to the panel. Each button gleamed coldly, but tonight, a faint whisper curled through the silence. His name, breathed softly from the glowing number 7. Sam's finger trembled, heart pounding. The whisper grew urgent, desperate, as if pleading from behind the panel's glass. He pressed 7. The elevator lurched violently, lights dimming to a sickly yellow. The doors sealed tight with a final chilling click. The numbers began climbing, but the voices multiplied, each button hissing names, begging to be pressed. Sam tried to block them out, but they swelled into shrieks. He jabbed the emergency button, but it whispered too, his mother's voice, trembling and broken. The elevator stopped abruptly on 7. The doors slid open, revealing a hallway smeared with dark handprints, the air thick with muffled sobs. Sam spun around, but the elevator was gone. The hallway stretched endlessly, lined with elevator doors, each button softly whispering a different name, waiting for someone to listen. Sam's name echoed, swallowed by the endless chorus, trapping him forever in their mournful prison.